Chapter 7, Lesson 1, you're going to need your red notebook for the vocabulary. This chapter, we are going to get into more algebra. This list shows all of the vocab that you're going to be responsible in this chapter. Not as much as Chapter 6, and we will also break it up by lesson. So in your red notebook, your words for today are equations, equal sign, solve, and solution. Once again, pause the video so you can get them written down. Equations are a mathematical sentence showing that two expressions are equal. Equations always have an equal sign. Equal sign, you know what that is. The definition for an equal sign is an equation contains an equal sign. Expressions do not have equal signs. 4 plus 2 equals 6 is an equation. 4 plus 2 is an expression. When you solve, you are replacing a variable in a sentence that results in both sides equaling each other. And then the last one for lesson 1, the value for the variable solves the equation. Get those 4 written down before you move on. I am on page 514 in your book. Okay, so the first kind of problems you're going to see look like this. Is 3, 4, or 5 the solution of the equation a plus 7 equals 11? So you have to solve it 3 times. First time a is 3. 3 plus 7 does not equal 11. 4 plus 7 does equal 11. 5 plus 7 does not equal 11. You're going to be doing all operations. You'll have a subtraction one, and then you'll have to do with the word problems. Okay, jumping to page 515 on the bottom, on the got it part of the page, is 2, 3, or 4 the solution of the equation 4 times n equals 16? When a number is written next to a variable, that's multiplication. This time we're using n, so that means 4 times whatever n is. So the first one is 4 times 2. Does that equal 16? No. 4 times 3. Does that equal 16? No. And the last one, 4 times 4. Does that equal 16? That's a yes. For E, 24 divided by W equals 8. So we're looking for the solution for W. 24 divided by something is 8. That would be W equals 3. Page 516. Let's do a couple of these problems. So you're going to be substituting for the variable. Number 1, 9 plus W equals 17. 9 plus 7 does not equal 16. 17, sorry. 9 plus 8 does equal 17, so put an 8 here. And then 9 plus 9 equals, not equal, 17. So the only number you write on the line is 8. Number 2 is division. 8 divided by, then you're going to divide 3 times with these numbers. So 8 divided by 0 does not equal 8. Cross that one out. 8 divided by 1 does equal 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So once again, the only number you write is 1. Number 3 is subtraction. We're going to solve these mentally. In other words, do them in your head. Something minus 11 is 23. It's got to be bigger than 23. So if you add 23 plus 11, you get 34. X equals 34. Number 4, 4 times something is 32. That something is 8. And that's about it for lesson 1. It's pretty straightforward. Your assignment is page 517. That's enough for this lesson. Shouldn't be too hard. Just remember to do all 3 and then write the numbers that make the equation true. All right, so that's lesson 1.